So in this tutorial we are going to change the hard drive of Lenovo Z50. So first of all you need to remove these 3 screws from the bottom of the bottom cover. Then you can just push the back cover off. And next you should remove the battery so it doesn't do any damage to the electric devices inside. So next, to remove the hard drive, you need to remove these 4 screws from the hard disk trail. Then the hard drive will just pop out. So the next step is to remove these 4 screws from the hard drive. The next step is to take the hard drive, and you have to have the arrows to the way where the ports are located. And now it's ready. Because I still wanna use my old 1000 gigabyte hard drive, I bought this hard drive caddy tray. So I will take off the DVD drive and I will just get more hard drive memory. So the first thing is to open these screws from the sides, so the hard drive will have more space to move. Then you just put it here and gently push it so there is a lock sound. And next you will just have to screw these things close. so it will not move inside the device so much. Now it's solid and it doesn't move inside the device. So the next step is to put the SSD inside the device. Just push it in so it locks. Then you have to find your screws and just lock it back so it won't accidentally move inside the laptop or get removed. You should also add this plastic frame so it reduces the movement inside the laptop. And check that the screws are closed. And that's pretty much how to put an SSD inside a laptop of Lenovo Z50. So next we are gonna remove the DVD drive from the Lenovo laptop because we are gonna change an hard drive inside it. So just remove this screw and then the DVD drive will just come off. And it's that easy. So for the next step you would need to remove the screws from the DVD drive. And then you would get like this metal kind of pin which you can put in the hard drive. And also when you disassemble the DVD drive, you can gently pull out this plastic cover so it doesn't make your laptop look weird after putting the new caddy inside. So we don't need the DVD drive anymore. We just need to. So pretty much I just removed the DVD plastic cover from the DVD drive and this thing that holds the hard drive or the old DVD drive inside the laptop. So we just gonna put it back inside and see how it's gonna work out. So okay, after removing these screws, it made it easier to push the DVD drive inside. I mean the hard drive to the old DVD drive place. Now I can just screw these back together. I can put the cover on the hard drive. That went there. So that's pretty much how you change the hard drive caddy to the DVD slot and make more room inside your laptop for. So next we are gonna add more RAM inside the laptop. So just to show you how you can remove old RAM if you have less. I have 8 GB inside my laptop, so you just press these hinges. And it comes off. It's pretty much the same how you put it back inside. So you just press it inside, you can see it like this. And then you just carefully press down, so these hinges will put it back. So here's 4 GB of more RAM memory. So we're just gonna put it same way, but it's a bit different since it's the other way around. So that's how easily you can add more RAM inside your laptop. Then we just put the back cover to your laptop. So it's very easy to add more hard drive space, memory, or possible change the DVD drive to a Blu-ray drive.